Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how you can use external SD card or memory card to your mobile. See, I have taken two mobiles, which is a Motorola mobile. This is the Motorola mobile, and this is of 256 GB or 256 or 128 GB. I'm not sure exactly. And this is Realme, which is of 64 GB. So that's the reason this mobile has the option to put external SD card. See here, this is there is, for this there are dedicated memory card slot and two SIM card slot, but for this is the Motorola one. Okay, I'll show you in the closer. This is SIM 1 and this is SIM 2. Only SIM you can keep. If your phone doesn't support inserting external SD card, then you won't be able to keep actually. So how you can insert? See here, I'll give you a close look up, and this is a redcop micro SD card. So according to your slot you need to purchase the appropriate SD card. See here, this is 128 GB and your phone supports. If your phone doesn't support, say for example if you have taken 256 GB, right, then also it won't work. So according to your phone model you need to research, and then you need to purchase appropriate one, and you need to insert like this. See here, this is the data, right? So you need to keep it exactly like this. Okay, now you need to just insert this into the slot where it is given. Okay, I'm not inserting the SIMs now, just this memory card. Yeah, I have just inserted this memory card here, and this card I purchased for 700 rupees. Anyway, I'll drop the unboxing link in the description and also the product link in the description. If possible, even I'll tag that. You can just check it. For 1 year I have been using that and it is perfectly good. And once you're done, you can open my files or my files app, which is a file manager app. See here, 32 GB. So yeah, this is how you can actually use. This is the internal memory and this is SD card. SD card also there are some videos actually, DCIM. Okay, these are some videos. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions you can just ask in the comments. If your phone doesn't support SD card, you cannot use this card. Okay, if and only if your phone model supports external SD, then only you can be able to use it. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.